viewer, we are at Medica Germany, and we are going to talk with Mr. Rudi Gall, General Manager and VP Business Development, SC EMEA, and Global Pharma. Mr. Gall, introduce yourself.
Yeah, hello. Very nice talking to you. My name is Rudi Gall. I'm with Freudenberg now since over 6 years. I'm the VP of Sales for EMEA medical devices, but also then for Global Pharma. And I'm also General Manager of the Kaiserslautern site in Germany. I'm in the medical and pharmaceutical markets in over 25 years. Started out as a controller, later went into sales, worked 13 years in the US, and now back to Germany since 6 years, working for Freudenberg.
Can you please share a few details about company and your background and experience in the medical healthcare field?
It has numerous business units. One of that is Freudenberg Medical, which is solely working in the medical and pharmaceutical space. Clean room production, silicones, thermoplastics, extrusion, molding, assembly, even down to full catheter assemblies and production.
Can you please provide a brief overview of products, technologies, innovations that you are showcasing this year at your booth?
So, of new products and technologies we are introducing here at Medica Compromed in Düsseldorf this year is embedded electronics in silicone, meaning that we mold silicone components, but we also embed electronics in those. That could be sensor embedding, but it also shows our capabilities of working with new materials, and that's an own Freudenberg invention. It's conductive silicones, and that conductive silicone allows us to work with various functions, electronic functions, in a silicone medical device or component. We have here a brand new component, which is an anti-snoring device, which is put on the tongue of a specific patient. Or we have the Bumpy Belt, which was now introduced here to the Freudenberg audience, but also to the Medica audience today, which is about a monitoring device for neonates.
What are the future strategies and upcoming products, innovations of Freudenberg Medical?
So future strategies and products. We do want to be a full service provider to the medical and the pharma industry. So we don't stop just doing components. We want to provide added value, but we also want to provide solutions to our customers. I just talked about showing or implementing silicones which are conductive. So that's what we can do, provide material solutions for our customers, and added value, meaning we want to assemble, we want to add value through components, through assembly work, doing maybe a full medical device, or even in the pharma field, doing full sets of assemblies and tubing trees for the pharma filling operations.
How do you plan to engage with visitors at this exhibition? What are your strategies to attract and hold the interest of the visitors?
What we do is we have a very open floor plan here at the Compromed. We want our customers to come in, have the discussions with us, sit down, have that kind of face-to-face interaction to discuss their newest projects, the problems they need to overcome, bring in our engineers and R&D research guys to help our customers in what they're developing or want to bring to the market in the future. Another thing is more a marketing thing. So every Wednesday at 3 p.m. we have, and that's a very traditional one, is a booth party at our booth here at the Compromed. And there we would provide drinks, food, just some relaxation and enjoy for our customers. And that's where we then would discuss over a nice drink.
Freudenberg Medical has been participating in medical exhibitions worldwide, especially in Medica, for many years. Can you please share some highlights or interesting?
It is a very international show. I would almost say it's one of the most international shows I know in the medical device world. It is a very big show, and you see everything from components to raw materials providers, but also full-blown medical devices and the medical device manufacturers. So it's a very large show where everybody can get together and then brainstorm, share the newest ideas and what they want to bring to the market in the future. So first and after that, and after the show is finished, how do we want to follow up with all those contacts and the leads we have? For us as Freudenberg, it's always very important to have that kind of face-to-face interaction. That's why we have sales representatives all over the world, being in India, or in Europe, or in the Americas, where we have our sales guys then following up with the leads we have here gathered at the show, and then to discuss the newest innovations for the medical device world. So that will be always face to face with us. If it needs to be, okay, we can bring in somebody from R&D through Teams, or use the newest, latest, the technology to also do that on a global basis, maybe even connecting different facilities we have on a global scale, because we have 11 facilities all over the globe. But in essence, what's important for us is that kind of face-to-face personal interaction, and that's the way how we work. I hope you like what you heard from me. So if there are any questions, concerns, if you have anything new coming up, or where would you think where we can as Freudenberg come in and help you to bring your latest and newest technology and medical device to the market, please reach out to us, reach out to me. Could be on LinkedIn. You also find myself, being very active on LinkedIn, and I will be happy to coordinate that and future steps to work with you. So thanks so much for listening, and have a wonderful day.